So you will need toilet paper roll, a pair of scissors, and the first thing you want to do is fold it flat, so you can get crease lines on both ends, and then you need to snip, yeah, with the scissors, cut open about 1 inch, yeah, and on both sides. After you've cut open, then you fold it, making sure that the two sides overlap, the two snipped sides overlap, and then create creases on the new sides, and then cut again, so you'll end up with four cuts or slit ends, four slit sides. Now you would end up with something that looks like a square box. All you have to do now is fold down, press it down, creating creases as well, and fold it right down, yeah, flatten it out, yeah, making sure that you create creases, and you would end up with like a rectangular box on the bottom, and on the top it might be still circular, but the bottom will be rectangular. Now you can put your compost or your soil in, yeah, supporting it with your hand on the bottom. You can put your soil in, and then you can throw a seedling inside of the soil and pour water, and whatever seedling of your choice, seedling of seed or whatever seed of your choice, yeah, you can throw that in, and water it as usual, and wait for it to grow, yeah. Now here's one that I've done previously. That's a zinnia seedling I have in there. I started it off from the seed that I threw into that pot. And don't worry about the bottom or the base, because that will flatten out nicely. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.